Have you ever heard about the phrase, the art of noticing? Most people don't really crave for luxury. What they truly crave is someone who notices. Yung tipong hindi mo na kailangan sabihin kung anong gusto mo, kasi alam na nila. They remember your favorite food, your favorite flowers, your favorite color. Pati yung maliliit na bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo o nakakasira ng araw mo. Ayaw niya yan. Mas gusto niya to. Favorite niya yan. Huwag mo siyang sabihan ng ganyan. Simple lang silang pakinggan, pero ang lalim ng ibig sabihin. Kasi, in a world where everyone is busy trying to be heard, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na may taong tahimik lang na nag-o-observe at nakakaalala ng mga detalye tungkol sa'yo. At sino ba namang hindi matutuwa sa taong marunong makaalala? Yung tipong kabisado ka na niya. Maybe that's what love really looks like. Not always grand gestures, but the quiet act of paying attention.